moko chik madit parliament ma Uganda kumbeti deputy speaker la dit honorable Thomas Tayebwa tika temme me Riyo tal ikin opposition MPs ma shabir mo karne gengo okay moko chik pen kitika jemu gi jemu ngo la dit Matthias Mpuga ma anti leader of opposition wachi the way gi ma kitwege e buj part kitwejo na awara
Mwaka Tayebwa
2021 ko
yes donc Tayebwa lo
yes mwaka don kumbedi makara Riyo dek ma remember me party no mamu kana ge wachi wakumbedi pia gudugu chen kono giti buch kono giti kwe la de Thomas Matthias Mpuga leader of opposition ati wachi ne kapeki wala da ni kama lo wedi giti ye gen pege bidugu chen e art mako chi Thomas Tayebwa kumbedi ma ene don kumbedi parliament pen la de te maternity leave kono pidu adi lo ene ti wachi ni parliament pero wara nyim la bon opposition leader petit speaker mama mero doro or moko meno, the other part of the chamber is empty.
In terms of leadership and guidance and love for a country, I want to applaud Tayebwa for that. Ingeni kanungata we ding. No, but anyway, even if they are not here, we can proceed with the business. But kiwaini business is not usual until the room is all complete. Opposition party miruberi od mokochiek alongside the majority magiti gamente and Kenya kenogin makaloni challenges competition otie ni wono karo kilok en gen gi gweyo chien mon ma wono mer ne wono gweyo chien magen ku kele wono gweyo. Now that is what helps to bring up strong policies, strong arguments in the flow of parliament.
Pian par one point po bedi paron bedi chamber ma wono enti yes.
Now yes men and Paul Carenero, yes man, Magibero, wing Polito Berganero, Kakamero zooming one, you know, getting Nero. So, and you are real dead money, Magatugu when you in Parliament, Chalozaki. They're the ones who keep the Parliament a lot. Pay me better tight in Kakonikido before we go. Which is also good sometimes for me. I want to say it is good.
Drama again.
While drama is there, it should prune people. Parliament is not a sleeping place. Parliament, Jaraka Moko Tam Matego, Tam Makelo Don Lobo. Enter down lobo pe bieno ki yet dana chele ke I gangi ina ramoti ko pero ne kilo tion ne ki joma ti oti enter pol kare joma do manoti doggang mon erni kago bieno bana ka munyi lok ma pat ki won moti oti konyo miu rego mati o we Tayebwa chini we cannot run the house as NRM who are the majority. We feel opposition should be there. We also listen to their issues. Don't kumbe ni Girmatika Tayebwa be atavani dialogue me what opposition ni okonyo kelo niang moni winye lock pirate.
Yo kana poladana wajwe ni action me jemo nyo rebellion me storming out of parliament and always nyako nyige nero kumbe Tayebwa ti wajede actually dialogue kiti biro gino guduk chani armo kochia
initially karmo karangechi no jomo karma wigi ding kata wochi kweri ni no gichai wa this is okay even if they are not there.
Yes,
we can continue with the business, but we are saying ni in restraint miniang matut ni tampa dharma part party kiri joma pige ye ana I disagree with so many people.
Niang part is it only no opposition I go storming out KJDP FDC giwang
opposition wang wow
okay
opposition wang polego ao ma part ke opposition leaning la ko joma ge beru dagario
independent
pingeyo kono giti
NRM
kono giti noob kono giti kwe no giti kenyu ene pego waro wow eto pol majority money chan go ao in solidarity go woni solidarity walk giti ka wachini jomo ruenyi bana twero giti chalo danum mo ke ken mati lobo eni so one tamani twer padano ko me mi robet gina pirate watika a pie mo meti jomo rueny ke kat kwedgi joma bena ge ka gada ka ko go ruenyo magipe ke kwany bena ke nyotewa ana mi robena dwa ko la pen ema kake wachini political prisoners, how many people are they talking about? According to their findings, political prisoners magente wachneni pera ngo nyokese ngo makiboli wigi Mia der ma mero ngene ne kakibolo cases wigi donc try ngeno ka fot pe ki try ngen ki remane ngen kwene ka ki remane ngene prisoners mon pa party let them come out to the list go wachi watiki ngadi la robiti kitalia ngari lozera ngari kigo ki outlisting o weng ka ki presenting board speaker wachi our missing persons or political prisoners any gitikany then they start a walk with the Human Rights Commission, Prisons Authority, jailers, the justice law, and the structure. What are the findings? Ngoma tika missing, ngoma mete, kesa ngoma tie, ka kesa bane kwenye pe ngoma aroma timane. Wega da ki kwanjo ni ki vuj. Erwa ini wana meto releasing political prisoners. Piwa ngeiwa kama giti ye, piwa ngeiwa gena di. Giti, you know, all these are irregularities. Mokuma inira wachini, owek joma kuma. How big is the problem?
Yeah, the conversation has to be started. Kajema yo buchako conversation me storming out of parliament. Chibene is storming out work lock or chaka kinge kamalu wedi giti at the dining lock